Hook, have you ever found yourself staring at your Venmo app, perplexed by a glitch or a missing payment? It can be frustrating, right? Well, fear not. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Venmo troubleshooting and explore various methods to resolve common issues. Let's get started. Understanding common Venmo problems. Before we jump into solutions, let's identify some of the most frequent problems Venmo users encounter. Payment issues, delayed payments, declined transactions, or missing funds are common concerns. Account restrictions. If you've faced account limitations or restrictions, it can be quite frustrating. Technical glitches. Sometimes, Venmo itself might experience technical difficulties. Troubleshooting payment issues. If you're having trouble with a payment, here are some steps to take. Check your balance. Ensure you have sufficient funds in your linked bank account. Verify payment details. Double-check the recipient's username and the amount sent. Contact the recipient. If the payment is delayed, reach out to the recipient to confirm they received it. Check for network issues. Poor internet connectivity can sometimes hinder payments. Resolving account restrictions. If your Venmo account has been restricted, follow these guidelines. Review Venmo's terms of service. Make sure you're adhering to their rules and regulations. Respond to requests. If Venmo has requested additional information, provide it promptly. Appeal the restriction. If you believe the restriction is unfair, contact Venmo's support team to appeal. Dealing with technical glitches. When Venmo is experiencing technical difficulties, here's what you can do. Check Venmo's status page. Look for any reported outages or maintenance issues. Try again later. Sometimes, temporary glitches can be resolved by waiting a few hours. Contact Venmo support. If the issue persists, reach out to their customer service team. Additional tips. Keep your account secure, protect your login credentials, and avoid sharing sensitive information. Update your app. Ensure you have the latest version of the Venmo app installed. Be patient. Some issues may require time to resolve. Conclusion. Resolving Venmo problems can be a bit of a journey, but with the right steps, you can often find a solution. Remember to be patient, review Venmo's guidelines, and don't hesitate to reach out to their support team if needed. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions or encounter further issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.